Okay. Um, Hello. It is day um day 80. Wow. Encroaching on three digits. Fun. Um um won't lie. It's kind of a bum today. Woke up pretty late. Um and we have a lot to do. Um and because luckily tomorrow I only have one class later in the day, so it's not like tom- okay. So I have one class at 1:30 tomorrow, which is my linear algebra. Um, my sleep schedule is not good right now. I woke up at like 1 today, which is not good. I set an alarm for like 10:30 because I did go to bed at like 4:30. But I set an alarm for like 10:30 and my phone died because I was playing like sleep sleep sounds um through my phone, and apparently that just drains the battery. I don't my screen wasn't on or anything. Anyways, the phone just died in the middle of the night. So I had no wake up alarm. Um so so what I was working on today was just setting up the Debian. As you can see in the background, we are no longer on Windows. So I mean, I still have Windows. I have the dual boot, which I haven't even tested my Windows. Last time I did this, so on my personal laptop, I have Kali in Windows 11, like dual, you know, like it'll boot to the Kali, um, like bootloader screen, and then I can select either going into Windows or going into that. Um, which I won't lie, I I may like try to undo that and go to like Debian because I don't really like Kali. Kali's like it's made for a security purpose or something like that. I don't get like the advantages out of that like you know it was designed for something like Debian is all I really need. But anyways, so that's what I did to this. Was having a hard time with the graphics driver. Wasn't installed. Had to just. I mean, honestly, it's crazy. I can't. I like the world before the ChatGPT. Can't even remember it. The fact that it's like I can like boot. So it was stuck in like a 1024 by 768 or something, whatever that resolution 4 by 3 is. And so obviously the screen was just cramped whatever I opened. Um, and so when I went to like change the display, I couldn't because I had no graphics driver. Um, so I just started copy and pasting those errors into the ChatGPT, and within like I don't know an hour, maybe less, it just completely fixed it for me. I mean, it went into just like deep paths and like just like told me to like create different files and put in um I don't know what code it is, the code that like has like the start section, end section with indentation between it. But anyways, those files. Um and then just kept rebooting until literally 5 minutes ago it booted into a 1920 by 1080, and I have 2 hours to get this video finished. Well, like an hour and a half, um so yeah. Um but like look at like all this pre-installed stuff this thing has, bro. Here, I should probably change my camera. Anything else I want to talk about? I don't think so. Um, yeah, I don't think so. Interview tomorrow, which I need to prep for, which is at 3, I believe. Um, yeah. Okay. Look at you have 4 in a row. Cheers. Contacts. Just so many like games. What is this? Oh my God. It's like a little Photoshop or something. Actually, I don't think it's Photoshop. Well, I know it's not Photoshop. Anyways. Um, Quadrapassal. This is just Tetris. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's loud. Anyways, um, yeah, just so much pre-installed shit. NVIDIA settings. Oh yeah, I wonder if this is like rendering shit now. Yeah, it is. Beforehand, all it had was system info and it had nothing in it. So yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Um, okay. Also installed my Zen browser, which I don't actually know how to I just have it in file right now. Um, like move to. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's because maybe my install is bad because I got good installs on OBS and Spotify. Like these are here. Um, actually, yeah, I can pin both of these. Um, ooh, text editor. Ooh, that's nice. I'll pin that. Anyways, I can open up Zen as well. Um, where's text editor? Text editor pin. Um, you can come over here. I'll have to clean this up though because there's like I don't need any of this. Anyways, yeah, this was the great code that was giving me this Nginx server stuff. Um, yeah, but anyways, um, also need to redo all my tasks, my like assignment page because apparently I'm just missing, or not missing, but like apparently there are just like three assignments coming up that I did not have noted down. Um, so yeah, I'm putting on a hat on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm also, by the way, so obviously I got copyright claims yesterday. Dude, like I hate this pimple so much. I just want it to go away. Anyways, um, yesterday when I literally said I was gonna play like my own music, and when I had my cam big and I did Control Z, it undid the desktop audio mute. So you just heard all my music, and so I just got like five copyright claims. Luckily, none of them were like strikes or like something against my channel, but so we should be good today. Um, okay. So idea for today is probably just gonna be LeetCode again. Sadly, started too late to do anything else. Um, yeah. So let's do that. Max twin sum of a linked list. For linked, yeah, let's make this a little bigger. Let's look good on the. Hmm. In a linked list size n where n is even, the ith node, zero indexed of the linked list is known as the twin of. Okay. So n is the size, n minus 1 minus the current node. So the ith node's twin is n minus 1 minus the current node. If your current node is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to the length divided by 2 minus n. Okay, so for example, if the length is 4, the node 0, the twin is the twin of node 3 because 4 minus 1 is 3 minus the first node, which is 0, is still 3. And node 1 is 2. Is the only nodes with twins for n equals 4. The twin sum is defined as the sum of a node and its twin. So, like, if this was an array, this would be really easy. But it's not. I mean, brute force, right? We look at node 0, and then we go find its pair, compute the sum, and save it as the max value between the max value and that. And then we just go to the next one, find its twin, and we keep going until we have no more twin nodes. I'm trying to think. I mean, we could literally have the condition of like, um, what the fuck? Oh, I want Python 3, that's why. Whoa, Python 2 is like weird. Where is Python? Anyways, um, did my settings like change? Yeah, it did. Yeah, what are we doing here? Why is it like making this a click? Okay, anyways. Is it because I'm like, no? It's like right there. Weird. Anyways, um, so what? Max sum is just equal to, um, what the fuck is going? Can hopefully a reload fixes this. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. While we want an index. So while the index, well, while 0 is less than or equal to, this is what I want, right? N is the length, and I don't know the length. Fuck. I hate linked lists so much. One second. Oh, I'm back. Sorry about that. Um, okay. Um, where were we? So I don't know how I'm gonna do this honestly because it has to be the ith node and then right past the midway point. Um, well, what 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Oh no, what am I saying? It's n minus 1 minus the ith value. So it's just on the other opposite end, right? The whole thing is like if it was an array, you could easily just do 2 pointers and just match everything, right? But it's a linked list, so we can only go one direction. So the only thing I can think of, honestly, maybe converting this into an array, because like what my other brute force way of doing this would be go through the whole thing once and get the size, and then go through the whole thing again, comparing the first value to the last value, and the second value to the second to last. And like that is a very long time complexity compared to just going through once and converting it to an array and then just matching each of these. Like those operations are going to be so much more simpler um than a linked list. So I mean, let's just try that, right? So what? I'm pretty sure it's just like a it's just while head and then append the value and just go next, right? Right. I think it's just while head list array dot append head dot value, and then head, right? Beautiful. Okay. So I mean, now it should just be as simple as saying, well, we need a no, define this up here. A max sum and I think that's all I need. That I see a loop like for um. I mean, what we want to go through. Not the whole array. We just want to say for index in range of this. Floor will take us here, and is this always even? Yeah, and it's always even. Yeah, so and floor, um, and then what? We want to get the value of what the sum would be of the current index and the comparison index. So the twin sum is equal to list array at index plus, I mean, it's just what's over here, right? The list array at well, no, the length of list array minus 1 minus index. And then max sum is equal to the max between max sum and twin sum. It was max sum, right? And then just return max sum. N is not defined. Oh, yeah, the length of changes. This should, I mean, this should just be good. Beautiful. It beats 90%. I'm gonna be on like, I'm sure I'd like an interviewer would be happy with me doing this, but I mean, so I'm really curious as to what. Cheers. Why am I looking at this in C++? Answer is 0 to a new list. Current equals head. Current half equals head. Oh, so it's doing a slow and fast pointer. So what? It's going through the current half dot next temp is equal to current is equal to the temp while current answer is equal to the max between answer and current. So I'm guessing this is it has to just be taking the second half and kind of like flipping it and then just comparing both, I'm assuming. Not bad. Rise, cause I'm buried alive. 33 out of 75. How long have I been recording? 23 minutes. Yeah, I'll be right back again. All right, back. Alrighty. Consider all the leaves of a binary tree from left to right order. The values of those leaves from a leaf value sequence. For example, the given tree above the leaf value sequence is 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. Okay, so just all the, yeah. Well, you're a leaf if you don't have a right and left value. So what? I just start with a search on the left side, and then every single value I find from there on out that has. So I think something I can do is if we just take root 1, for example, and we do a DFS. Wait, how do I keep track of when I like visited everything though? Oh, it is just if. if node dot left is none. Nope, not what I wanted. I just wanted to just call it array. Is there is a dot val, right? Yeah. I don't think that this is. I mean, what? We call it with this. It goes through and it says, okay, if this and this are whatever append, but we have no return in here. You can't have. Fuck. How do you do this? I mean, what? Can I just do this and then? I don't think this is correct. But that is true. So I just need to say, oh, that actually worked. Nice. Okay. Beats 100%. Cheers. Yeah, that's quite easy. The only thing that I really need to look into is what I assume is the return is all I'm trying to get at here is the return value sometimes is hard to keep track of, but like what's gonna happen is it's gonna be like give me an example here. We have three, right? Three gets passed through as like the head node, and so we say if its left node is not none, right, go on left. If this left node is not none, go here. If this left node is not none and this one's not none, well, actually, we get to this condition where we append this, right? And then we return array here, so we have six. And then this checks its right one, and then this checks its left, and then it returns array after it's now appended this. And it just keeps going through and it keeps appending until we get all the way down to the first call stack, and it just returns these bottom leaves. Um, Um, could do like something ternary here or whatever, but it's fine. What was the space complexity of this? Um, I guess I guess couldn't I do um like if I just said array is equal to an empty array and then I pass through array on both of these? Wait. It's expecting to return like something. Whatever, I'll just keep it like this. I was gonna say like I could do like um just n divided by two and then like compare the first half of one array to the other for like a space complexity thing, but who cares? Am I right? Only thing I want to do is this. Just make it a little cleaner. Little one liner. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Um. See, I just have a lot of homework that I want to do tonight into the late night. And it's like doing it here. It's like I just don't care to do it here. So, um, because again, this is coding every day, and I don't have any homework right now that requires coding. So it would be me doing like math homework and stuff like that, and like whatever. So I think, um, oh, I think I'm calling it here. So 80 days in. Yeah. Uh, I don't know. Also, I'm supposed to be saying right now. I just have homework I need to do tonight, which I'll do tomorrow. Is the interview? I won't record until after that, and even after that, I'm gonna go eat. And I do I have a yeah, I have a class tomorrow after that, so it won't be late until late tomorrow that I'll be on, and I'll be tired because I'm gonna fix my sleep schedule tonight. So we'll see. It'll probably just be this again. We'll probably just do. Well, we're on DFS right now, so we'll do like two of those again, and then maybe computer architecture stuff. I don't know. I'll just see. So, but yeah, um, enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you tomorrow for day 81. Yeah. Bye.